Well, I represent 16 accusers of Jeffrey Epstein who allege that they were sexually victimized by him. Of course, they have been denied justice up through this point because Jeffrey Epstein died in custody in New York. And even before that, in 2004, when he was allowed to plead to soliciting an act of prostitution in Florida, that was a ridiculous charge, and he got a sentence that he was released essentially to go home or to work every day. And now, finally, someone is being prosecuted, and that is Ms. Maxwell. The former U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York assured my clients and me in person when we were in court in New York, and that was Jeffrey Berman, that even though Jeffrey Epstein was deceased, that his office would continue the criminal investigation of anyone who may have conspired with Jeffrey Epstein to sex traffic young girls. And that is exactly what Ms. Maxwell is charged with today. She's being prosecuted for that, also on an allegation that she perjured herself when she gave her civil deposition in a civil lawsuit by one of the women who had sued her for defamation and alleged that Ms. Maxwell also was involved in this essentially scheme with Jeffrey Epstein to victimize girls. So this is an important day. It's an important development. And we're looking forward to this prosecution moving forward. And I think it's also important, Marvin, that Prince Andrew also provide his statement to the FBI. He has been evading and avoiding giving his statements about what he knew. He was a very close friend of both Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell. And he keeps giving excuses for why he has not yet provided his knowledge and his statements and an interview to the FBI. He's got to stop with the excuses and stop evading giving what he knows, because this is really traumatizing the victims even more. They should be entitled to truth. They are entitled to transparency. And to date, they haven't received the entire truth and nothing but the truth. And it's time for Prince Andrew to provide it.